Blossom, may I have sad story for you. I have good news and bad news. Which one you want first? Girl, bad news. Tyrone, Tyrone. You never listen to 7 o'clock news, girl? Why me can't believe? I know me can't come to. Me can't believe that Tyrone left from town. We're so violent and gone a country gone lose in life. Yes. Let me tell you the situation. Are the same baby mother. It look like Tyrone never knows that the woman have man a country. And the man get up in him feelings. Yes. The man have key for the house. Me don't know how some woman stay so. And the man come in about 2 o'clock in the night. And see Tyrone in the house. Yes, a resident hear the commotion. And sound alarm, and when them go look, them see 2 people on the floor in the bedroom. Yes, with wound all over them body. Terrible wound. Yes, and them call the police. When the police come, and yes, and yes, put up them crime scene tape and thing, and check the place, and bring them go hospital. Oh my. Yes, they said the man succumbed to injuries, but the woman in a critical condition. Me don't know what sweet him, because for years him and the woman their country and not now go on and him come a town and him gone back a country and see there. Him met him demise down a country. Me sorry for hear, me sorry. Me I tell us from me hear the news, me feel it so till. Yes, me not even did sure neither. Yes, but yes, I want a cousin from down a country call and confirm it. Yes, down a Jackass Valley. Yes. Me I tell us from me ear, me not feel good at all. Yes, I want party me dress up for go, but me have to change my mind. Me can't go on a party. Me can't go on a party at all with the situation. Not at all.